And the odds aren't in their favor. It'll take a massive amount of intestinal fortitude to win this match. Oh, look at the hammering blows from Lesnar. Oh, did you see the neck snap back? Striking with the axe handle. And he gets out of the way. Be it strength, power, speed. Spine buster. And there's the axe handle. I have a strong feeling that these guys will throw caution to the wind and just go full steam ahead. Big right hand. Hey, Lesnar catches him. What a toss from the 300-pounder. Great match here. But if you missed any of the matches from this week, go to WWE.com to catch up on all the action. What's he up to here? Under the ring. But this isn't a no disqualification match. He might be trying to get disqualified. How is he still on his feet? WWE fans watching this match all around the world. Oh, jeez. And he lands in a heap. Oh, no. What's Lesnar going to do here? A huge fall-away slam for Brock Lesnar. Brock Lesnar seems to relish this. Here we go. He is definitely going to have those ribs looked at after this match. And he's rolling. Punk makes the and Lesnar powers out. These competitors will always be looking to release the finishing maneuver. And when that happens, the complication of the match, Lesnar. That's it. He's done. Oh, no. There's a cut on the face of CM poking away. 2. Punk's out. The Princess. He's left the ring. This could get interesting. Look at that sadistic face on Lesnar. We've seen this look before, and it's never a good sign. A skull-crushing impact. The kick connects. That Irish whip was delivered with tremendous aggression. Brock Lesnar is an animal that is obsessed with being a world champion. And he touches that one. Brock Lesnar into the headlock. What a vicious shot with the knee. Watch it. Lesnar has it again. How strong is Brock Lesnar? The 295-pounder lands that one perfectly. He's in big trouble. Oh, look at that scoop slam. Brock Lesnar's going high west. Oh, no. What a huge move. Oh, man, is he fired up. What an impact from the knee. Oof, man. And a wicked clothesline. Oh, man, that knee looked painful. Oh, no. I think he's bleeding from that last shot. Lesnar with a massive fist. Look at the eyes of the Princess. I don't like this at all. Total destruction. He might not know where he is right now. Ow, that was a serious shot there. Lesnar controlling the head. That was an impressive suplex. Brock Lesnar squeezing down on the head. Oh, wow. And the knuckles connect. Oh, man. Lesnar destroyed him. There's a cover. 2. The Princess is eliminated. Oh, no. We have a disaster on the loose. And again, the mind games are played. He's going back outside. It'll be interesting to see who becomes the alpha male early in the contest. What a fierce kick. Great react. Wait a minute. Lesnar setting it up again. F5. Lesnar delivers return to the ring. I can't believe everything that's true. Whoa! Lesnar throws him onto his shoulders. Lesnar plants it again. This has been a war. Look at the monster that is Brock Lesnar. Into the headlock. Watch this. Watch this move. And that should do it. Brock Lesnar's going to win this. And it's imperative he gets back in the ring right now. Look out! Like a dart, he crashes right into those steps. Each of these competitors is looking for the slightest hint of weakness in the other. Uh-oh. Lesnar looking down at his opponent. Oh, through the barricade, a spear! Oh my God! Completely destroyed the barricade! One more time for everyone at home. Torn down. Lesnar seems confident here, and with good reason. Wow, that axe handle had some force behind it. And he gets back in the ring. And did you hear the impact of Lesnar looking to fly? Another powerful fall-away slam delivered by Lesnar. He's got him hooked. And now laid out of the table. Oh boy, be ready to move. Uh-oh, we might want to move. Oh my God, the announce table, his body broke him in a million pieces. Connected? Brock Lesnar is just menacing. And he gets back in. This is a high-flying attack from Brock. Look out! That was an insane move. To take a chance like that, do you know how badly he must want to win this? Look out what's going on here. Uh-oh! Lesnar has him up. What does he have on his mind? I can't believe he just speared him through the barricade. Completely destroyed that barricade. This is unbelievable. Amazing results. I just can't get over what we saw. Uh-oh, Lesnar's got him again. Wow, Lesnar had even more power behind that one. He's got him. Oh, big Irish whip right into that security wall. Lesnar. You gotta be kidding me. Through the barricade. They destroyed the barricade. What impact. More on this disaster might be a as we said, but it's a head first off the post. And we're going back into the ring. Striking with the axe handle. And he gets the turbo pads coming up. There's going to be a lot of exposed steel in that ring. Oh, clothesline. dangerous. Look out! This isn't good. Brock Lesnar is a suplex machine tonight. Another turnbuckle patch coming off. Hey, wait a minute, what's he doing? He slams right into that exposed turnbuckle. Oh, Lord, a huge collision with the exposed turnbuckle. Into the exposed turnbuckle. There's the clothesline. Lesnar goes behind. And he takes the steal.